Hey guys, I'm Rishikesh. Welcome to my home. That's my dad, that's my mom, and that's my sister.
Basically, I'm from Guntur. We settled down here in Hyderabad. I have completed Master of Computer Applications. So I started my journey in software in 21 years before. I do campus interviews from almost 8 years onwards. I'm a developer. Okay, so I used to ask that questions with respect to the development. Most of the people, they used to say only theoretical things, theoretical knowledge, not the practical one. So if I give and ask that on white paper, can you write down the algorithm or logic for them? They could not. From the first year onwards, I think you learned 7 languages in the first year.
Around 5 to 6 languages.
In the second year, they told that he has selected for internship, which is a great news for us, right?
The company I'm working at is Powerman Aviation. It's a drone-based company which is mainly in the agri-drone field, and it also works on many R&D projects as well. So my role over there is that of a developer, and I'm also leading a team of 4 interns over there.
And they have given a choice to him, bring their own team, his own team. So that's where he brought another 4 people from nxtwave only.
ఇప్పుడు అందరూ ఋషికేష్ అంటే బాగా ప్రౌడ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతారనమాట. డిఫరెంట్గా ఎందుకని భయపడ్డారో ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరే చాలా మంచి డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నావు అంటే తను డిఫరెంట్గా వెళ్ళారు కదా థాట్ అది మళ్ళీ బ్యాడ్ అవ్వకుండా అట్లా ఉండాలని వాడు బాగా కష్టపడుతూ బాగా చదువుతున్నాడు. అది కూడా ఒకటి ఇంకోటి ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ తీసుకోవద్దు అంటాను. యాజ్ ఏ మదర్గా నాకు వాడంతసేపు కష్టపడుతూ ఇప్పటి నుంచే అలా అంటే నాకు కొంచెం ఇదిగా అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇప్పటి నుంచే ఎందుకు అంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ తినని చూస్తున్నాను 10 to 11:30 అలా అవుతుంది. ఈ ఏజ్లోనే ఇంత స్ట్రెస్ ఎందుకంటే లేదు నేను ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నానమ్మా నాకేం ఇబ్బంది లేదు అంటాడు. సో ఇంకా కూల్ అయిపోతాను.
They've never really restricted me that I have to follow in one particular path, or how the usual parents are like engineering or doctor. It was completely my choice.
I'm very lucky to have someone like my brother because he constantly supports me in every decision which I take. And then he's the main reason what decisions I take now because the career guidance, I think he has more experience than I have. And obviously my parents too. But then my brother has been more supporting to me. And I share everything and he gives me advices. And I go out with him, I think almost every Saturday. We go to cafes or lakes and then we just sit there and talk.
I've gotten to experience everything, not only on a software perspective, but also on a hardware perspective as well. And it's ranging from development to testing to deployment as well. So it's like a complete package. I've been interested in tech from a really young age, and I've also wanted to go through something different, not the usual schooling, not the usual colleges where we just have theory and all. And that's when I really liked nxtwave.